Hey everyone! Welcome to the Start Strong with Seller 365 video series. We know that getting started with new tools can feel overwhelming, and you're not alone. That's why we created the series, to walk you through the most common challenges sellers face when first using Seller 365 and to help you overcome them with confidence. In this video, we're diving into a feature in InventoryLab that gives you more control over how your inventory is labeled and tracked, the custom MSKUs. Whether you are someone who prefers a hands-off setup or likes to fine-tune every detail, Seller 365 gives you the flexibility to do both. Let's take a look at how it all works. Start by clicking in your account name at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Settings, then head to the General tab in the left menu. Scroll down until you see MSKU Customization. This is your hub for managing how MSKUs are created. There are a few different paths you can take here. One InventoryLab to handle the MSKU for you. Just select Let IL create my MSKU and you're all set. Want to add a personal touch? Select Use Set MSKU Prefix, then type your custom prefix into the field and hit Save. For full customization, go with Use Variable MSKU. This lets you build MSKUs using up to 4 variables, from options like buy cost, ASIN, condition, custom, list price, purchase date, sales rank, or supplier. If you choose the custom variable, just make sure to enter a value and avoid any restricted characters. To edit your formula, click the pencil icon. In the formula editor, you can choose your variables, pick separators, and even see a live preview of your MSKU as you build it. Want to add more variables? Just click plus Add option and choose from the drop-down. You can rearrange them by dragging them up or down, and if something doesn't fit, click the trash icon to remove it. InventoryLab keeps count behind the scenes to make sure every MSKU you create stays unique. Once you're happy with the setup, hit Save Formula, and you're done. With just a few tweaks, you can make MSKUs that match your style and simplify your inventory tracking. That's all for today. See you in our next video.